Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out this awesome upgrade. This is made by Syba. This is a 2.5 and 3.5 inch trayless, toolless hard drive mobile rack. We're going to do a quick unboxing of it right now. I already took it out of the bag, so it makes it easy and faster. Comes with 2 SATA cables here, power cord if you have a Molex connected to SATA. Only need 1, by the way. Screws, instruction manual, but this is pretty much it. I'll have close-up pictures of this. This is a beautiful piece of hardware here, folks. So anyway, you slide this switch over like so. I can't do it because I have these gloves on. Oh my God, really? There we go. Got that one open. Slide a 2.5 inch drive in like so. Close the door. It's in. Okay, you take it out. Spring loaded, slides right out. You're good to go. Same thing with a 3.5 inch drive. You pop it open like so. Slide the hard drive in. It's trayless, so you just slide the drive in, you're good to go. And this is the USB 3.0 connection. So now I can only have it take up 1 spot, and I have upgradability, so I can add different drives in if I need to defrag, check out the drive, make sure to do check disk on it, do all kinds of stuff on it with this capability. So what also is really nice is that it offers an on-off switch on the front here. So if you do not want the device hard drives to be powered on all the time, you can leave the drives in and leave it powered off. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. I'm new with Patreon, so if you want to be a supporter, please click the link below. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Oh, by the way, if you're making comments of my gloves, I had a subscriber go, "Why are you using surgical gloves when you're doing reviews?" So these are actual static-proof gloves. So I did it. So if someone comments now, they can't bitch and complain. So these are real static gloves. Hey guys, so we're going to be doing an unboxing and checking. And today we're going to be checking out this dual sit. What the is this? God, I can't even. It's really late. It's like quarter after 12 right now. Creative Labs iRaw. Plug it in like this. The inside of this is really impressive. 100A in the Prius. The AC adapter, 1 amp charger, and it's big, and it's made out of aluminum. Okay, as you can see, the backup is complete. Like so. Now you can create the RAID array. I mean, for the price difference between the two,